In the videos that we have for you today, we will explain what the meaning of Amazon FBA is, how it operates, and how it may assist your income. Are you familiar with the structure of Amazon FBA? How is drop shipping different from it? Where do the items end up? This video is going to cover all you need to know. Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the meaning of Amazon FBA. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Is Amazon accessible in any country? It is a question that many people have. No matter where you are on the globe, you can sell on Amazon since the answer is absolutely yes you can. There are several Amazon markets, including those for the United States, Canada, India, and the United Kingdom. However, Amazon USA is unquestionably the one that gets the most recommendations since it is the largest online marketplace as well as the one with the largest potential and opportunities. The answer to the question of whether or not you can sell on Amazon is yes. Whether you reside in Romania, the Philippines, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, or any place else on earth. Let's assume that you wish to earn a living from Amazon. Let's just quickly go through this. Amazon FBA does not offer drop shipping. Using a private label is Amazon FBA. Private labeling. What is it? When a supplier or manufacturer creates products that are solely marketed, packaged, and sold by a third party, it is known as private labeling. In other words, the first business makes money by selling its products to third parties, while the third party makes money by selling to customers. Basically, private labeling is when we plaster our brand and emblem onto a product and claim ownership of it. Finding a successful product is the first step in the Amazon FBA process. A lucrative product is what? A product is said to be lucrative if its sales revenue exceeds the expenses of manufacturing, marketing, and customer service. Profits is sometimes referred to in business as bottom line. Products that are profitable and in great demand may be found on Amazon. You know, there is a reliable market for it. You are aware that the product brings in money. The first action we want to take in is that on Amazon, we need to locate a lucrative item. Okay, we use tools to product research to identify lucrative products. What kinds of tools are used in the process of product research? It goes without saying that the goal of a product research tool is to establish which products are the most popular with customers and provide you with the information you need to decide whether or not to offer such products for sale. There are several different tools available for doing product research, such as ZonGuru, AMZBase, and Unicorn Smasher. However, one of the most well-known of them is called Jungle Scout. I have no doubt that you are familiar with it. It is quite probable that you already own it if you are starting as an Amazon FBA now. When it comes to doing research on products, there are undoubtedly a great number of tools to choose from. Nevertheless, in my opinion, Jungle Scout is the most effective. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue to discuss about what the meaning of Amazon FBA is. Okay, so when we have identified what our lucrative product is, the next step is to locate a supplier so that our own manufacturer may buy in bulk. Let's assume that our offering is a light bulb. We'll get in touch with the vendors. We often use a website called Alibaba. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. We are looking for a manufacturer who can produce the profitable product we recently discovered. I often advise starting with 250 to 300 units after we discover a source that can produce our items. Then we ship the merchandise to an Amazon fulfillment center. After we have sent our items to an Amazon fulfillment center, Amazon will pack, package, and ship them on our behalf. We will not be responsible for any of these steps. This ensures that we are never required to see or handle the products that we have listed for sale on Amazon. The time we need to acquire a sample of one of our products in order to check the quality of that product, it is the one and only time we will do it. The inquiries: do I obtain the products brought to my residence? And where does the product goes? Are examples of questions that are asked often. Therefore, after we have identified a supplier with whom we are able to negotiate a wholesale agreement and come to terms, we send our products to an Amazon fulfillment center where Amazon fulfills, packs, and delivers all of our orders on our behalf. You need to do nothing more than relax and observe the process of the money while they take care of the delivery and the inventory of the goods. Let's go through this again now. Finding a profitable product on Amazon, or what I refer to as viable product, is the first step in the FBA earning process. Now, we look for a wholesaler or supplier who allows us to purchase our products in bulk at a discounted price. Finally, we ship the packages to an Amazon fulfillment center, and then when the items are delivered to the Amazon fulfillment facilities, Amazon begins to pack, complete, and send all of our purchases. At that point, Amazon begins to assemble, complete, and deliver each of our purchases. We collect the cash as well as the product's profit. I hope that clarifies things. Now, why is it important? Amazon FBA is so effective since you don't need to test anything because the product is already viable and lucrative, unlike drop shipping, where you have to invest money and, get fortunate and discover a niche that is doing well. Because Amazon already has a traffic for you, you don't have to bother about testing or about getting customers to your shop. In essence, all we have to do is sell in their marketplace. I think we will have to be concerned about placing advertisements on Facebook. Any of those things is going to be an issue that needs our consideration. We are not concerned about the traffic at all. All we have to do is to locate goods that are successful, provide Amazon the information about them, and then start selling them on Amazon. I really hope that you are able to comprehend now what really Amazon FBA is. If you are just getting started, I feel the following answer will be the utmost assistance to you, since I am aware that a lot of individuals often have the same question on this subject. On Amazon, anybody is free to sell whatever they choose to sell to anyone else. Amazon is ideal for you if you're a complete newbie and want to launch an internet company. Avoid stressing about traffic in your ads. You don't need to be concerned about things like attempting to run Facebook advertisements and other stuff like that. All you have to do is start making money on Amazon, is pick a product using the strategies I'm teaching you, improve it, and have it stored, create a listing, and start selling it. We've reached the end of another video, and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something about Amazon FBA is. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!